welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make mentsuyu. Men means noodles and tsuyu means dipping sauce. So it's originally dipping sauce for noodles. But we use it for a lot of dishes, not only for noodles. It's very handy seasoning that you can use pretty much for everything. You can consider it like a slightly sweet soy sauce with full of umami. It's available off the shelf. You can find it at any Japanese grocery stores, but it's very easy to make from scratch. Let me show you how. These are what you need. 200 ml soy sauce, 200 ml mirin, 2 tablespoons sugar, piece of kombu seaweed, and katsuobushi bonito flakes. Let's put 200 ml soy sauce, 200 ml mirin, 2 tablespoons sugar, piece of kombu seaweed in the pot. Turn the heat on and cook it over medium-high heat until you start to see little bubbles. Small bubbles coming up, so it's right before boiling. Turn the heat to low and let's add katsuobushi bonito flakes. Handful katsuobushi into the pot and simmer this over low heat for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes simmering, turn the heat off and just let it sit and cool it down to room temperature. Now it's room temperature, so I'm going to strain it into this jar using this tea strainer. Let's remove the kombu seaweed first, then strain. Now it's all strained into the jar and mentsuyu is ready. And you can keep this in fridge for a month or so. And this is condensed mentsuyu, so when you use it, you need to dilute this with cold water or hot water. When I use it as a dipping sauce for noodles, I normally do 2 water, 1 mentsuyu, 2 to 1. But as I said, this is not only for noodles. You can use it as a yummy alternative for soy sauce. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!